If you are following your dream, at some point you will have to face a time when everything will seem like a ritual. After some time, the happy period will get over. In fact, at those times, you will doubt yourself and you will ask silly questions like, am I doing the right thing? Or is it worth my life? In fact, self-doubt is something that will never leave your side, no matter how much you had progressed. Self-doubt plays a critical role when it comes to building negative mindset. Even more, in later days, it destroys your decision-making capabilities. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to tell you 3 ideas that can help you to deal with self-doubt. Hope that you like it. The first point is raise your self-awareness. Self-awareness is a very powerful tool for personal development. Make use of it by trying to get to the root cause of your self-doubt. What is the one thing that triggers it? If it is lack of skill in a particular area, resolve to do something about it. For example, it might be the fear of delivering a presentation, or it might be the anxiety of having to cater to a large audience. Just about anything can be learned. So go out there and get the training that you need, or get a coach who can help you with that situation. The more you make yourself aware of your skills and abilities, the lesser amount of self-doubt you will have about yourself. The second point is stop making excuses. Self-doubt often makes us rationalize a situation to fit our emotional state. We may be afraid to fail, afraid to look bad, afraid to take on more than we think we can handle. So we become expert at making a lot of excuses for why an opportunity that is in front of us isn't a good fit. The enemy is your chattering mind, which, if you give even a nanosecond, will start producing excuses of why you shouldn't, couldn't, and won't do the things that you're required to do the most. Think back about the opportunities that you missed. What were the reasons that you gave yourself? Were those reasons legitimate, or were those reasons just pure excuse? Excuses are mental barriers that hold us back. They give us a safe place wherein we can relax and chill. But ask yourself this question, that will that relaxing help you get any better in life? No, right? After some time, you will get irritated and frustrated of yourself for letting go of so many opportunities that came to you by giving so many lame excuses, which at the end will only and only increase your self-doubt, because you have never tried anything which is out of your comfort zone, which means you have never learned anything new. So stop giving excuses. It is not worth it for you. You will not be able to learn anything new, and it will only and only increase your self-doubt. The third and the last point is stop seeking for validation. Seeking others' input and advice can be helpful, but if you keep on asking for validation for every single thing that you do, you are weakening your faith in yourself. For example, if you are working on a presentation and you keep on changing it based on the feedback that you get from every other person, the end product of the presentation will be a diluted version of yourself. Take some advice, but at the end, make the decision on the basis of what feels right to you. If you start practicing this, you will have 2 benefits. First of all, you will have faith in yourself, which is an obvious one. But secondly, you will start to inculcate the characteristics of a leader, because you will hold yourself responsible and you will be responsible for every single decision that you make. So thank you guys for staying till the end. These are the 3 points which I wanted to explain to you in this video. Hope that you liked it. If you did, then please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button and also the bell icon, and I will meet you guys in the next one.
Forever.